Hey guys, it's Bridget with San Diego Seed Company, and I want to show you my beautiful Alyssum plants. So I've been planting Alyssum for years, and it's really quickly become one of my favorite plants because, well, look at it, it's gorgeous. So it tends to be a little bit more of a compact plant, but I want to show you how big and happy it can be in zones 9 and 10. So these plants have been in the ground for several seasons now. In the summertime, when it's really hot, they don't look as good, and I just trim them back, and then as soon as it gets cool and moist, you can see how big these guys get. They're covered in bees. They make for really good companion plantings next to other vegetable plants, and they will easily reseed in the garden. So these tiny little seeds that fall off the plant will spread throughout the garden, and you'll see it popping up in other places. And for us, that's not a problem. It's a wonderful issue to have. So if you like easy, stress-free flowers in the garden that make great companion plants with your vegetables, Alyssum is so great and an awesome, easy plant.